Hey guys, my name is Christian. I'm shooting a YouTube video right now and how to fix a riding mower that it won't start. So it's spring already. It's time to start mowing the grass. So I got my riding mower from my backyard. It's a little bit messy, don't mind. But so this is what we did so far. We tried with the jump starts. We tried to use the jumping cables. It didn't work. We just went to AutoZone and we bought a brand new battery and we just put it on the riding mower and it still didn't work. So now we're trying to change the fuse and check if that might be the issue. Now I did look on YouTube for videos of the location of the fuse and I couldn't find any videos of it. But look, I found it, guys. So underneath the battery, you remove the battery, and right there is our fuse location, which it's secure by this right here. Hope you can see it. So what I did, I just kind of pressed it a little bit, push it in, which is gonna get this out. I don't know if you guys see it, but there it is, guys. That's it right there. So let me get some pliers. Put that right there. Look at this. Look at the fuse. Now, here guys. And I really hope this is our problem. Hope you guys can see it. You guys can see it. It's blown. So we're gonna go back to AutoZone, get this replaced, put the battery on the riding mower again, and try one more time. Hopes, cross your fingers. Hopefully this works this fine. So this time we're gonna try replacing the fuse. Hopefully this is gonna help our riding mower to start. Well, thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching.